Playing or modding Lineage 2 and encountered an LN2 file. This is a game data file from the popular MMORPG Lineage 2. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to work with these Lineage 2 data files. Pro tip for LN2. Files that won't cooperate, you need a dedicated magic solution. I'll share my secret weapon program once we've exhausted all 3 troubleshooting steps. LN2. Files are game data files used by Lineage 2, a popular massively multiplayer online role-playing game from NCSoft. They contain game resources including character data, quest information, geographic data items, and gameplay parameters used by the game client to deliver the persistent online fantasy world experience. LN2. Game data files use NCSoft's proprietary format, storing game content including encrypted resource data, asset references, and game-specific structures. The format includes integrity verification, metadata version information, and indexed content sections, enabling efficient runtime access by the Lineage 2 game client during online gameplay sessions. For full accurate reading of LN2. Data, rely on Lineage 2 Launcher by NCSoft. To view all media streams, the file must be opened in a dedicated container program. Windows cannot interpret animation, shader, or resource data, so proper handling demands dedicated utilities. We are initiating the compatibility check. Right-click your LN2 file and choose Open With. Your best bet is Lineage 2 Launcher. Test it now. If it's unavailable, select another listed application to check its reading ability. If your LN2 file will not open yet, do not panic. To avoid future errors, let's talk about why the file is stuck. Here is a list of the key technical reasons this LN2 format often fails to open. First, verifying game integrity. If LN2 files cause game issues, use the Lineage 2 Launcher's repair function to verify and replace corrupted files. The launcher checks all game data files against server-side checksums, automatically downloading replacements for any corrupted files. This is the safest method for maintaining proper game data integrity. Next, examining with modding tools. Lineage 2. Modding communities have developed tools for examining game data files for educational or private server purposes. Tools like L2 Tool or community-developed utilities can extract data from LN2 files. Research available tools through Lineage 2 community forums for proper handling of game data files. Finally, avoiding game file modification. Modifying LN2 files in retail. Lineage 2 violates the terms of service and may result in account bans. Avoid third-party modifications to live game data. For experimentation with game systems, use private server software designed for legal Lineage 2 emulation, rather than modifying retail game files. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.